guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is demo day. That was good.
That was cute.
Today we are renovating this bathroom. It's my bathroom. It's pink. It has a pink tub shower combo with a pink toilet in here. And I've been wanting to do this project for a really long time. And I put it off because I wanted it to have everything that I wanted. And as y'all know, bathrooms can be pretty expensive. So I'm finally at the point where I'm ready to renovate it. I'm taking this tub completely out and putting in a walk-in shower, and everything is about to go. So I have my sister here to help me with demo. Let's get started. This is always hard to remove because it's looking out the wall. Hang on. Put your hands up there.
I feel like you can live it all. Where you gonna sit this?
Downstairs in the garage.
Eat that roll thing. You know, put the roll in that really good.
Okay, I think we are good to get to the seat.
This is not a good angle.
Don't pull too much because I don't want to move the pipes. You sure it was good?
This
It's
side.
coming out, so.
I can't get this side.
Okay, well let me try my side.
Oh, this is not good. I didn't do that.
Stop laughing.
This is a serious situation. So I got to laugh. I'm laughing. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm laugh.
You pull up too. Okay, don't let go. Now pull up again. 1, 2, 3.
This ain't going nowhere.
Yes, it is.
I'm talking about over here.
Okay, well you come close. 2, 3. Okay. 1, okay.
Slide out.
Okay, wait. It's not good. Told you before, babe. Get that toilet thing, the trash bag. Lock in there.
I'm just coming out.
Is it water in there?
Yeah, I see.
Yo, my sister wants to help remove the shelves. Y'all remember these shelves? I built these for the very beginning of my YouTube channel. Y'all can tell. Just look how they look.
They stayed though. They were durable. This stayed long. Oh my god, the screw is long.
I needed to go to the stud in the wall. Let me see.
This is coming out.
I'm gonna pull back.
on today's episode of how many people does it take to unscrew?
All right, y'all. So we have got out the mirror, the vanity, and the toilet. The last thing is the tub. Basically the big things, and then we'll start working on the floor. I actually ordered a tool to kind of knock out the floor because last time it took me forever. It's a mortar bed underneath there, so I ordered like this extra long crowbar to kind of like get under there and break it up. And it was also like some wire bars, so I need to be able to get through that. So I'm waiting for that to come through Amazon. It'll be here today. So right now, about to knock this tub out. I have to knock out the wall above the tub first, so I can actually get access to cut the tub. About to start hitting this wall. Stud right there. I scared me. I thought it was gonna fall.
Okay. Flip it towards the back. I got it. You said what? Flip it.
Good morning, everybody. It's the next day. So I didn't finish all of my demo. The only thing that I didn't get out is the floors because I was waiting on this crowbar, this extra big crowbar to come. Actually, it came this morning. Actually, it came the other day. It's huge. It's a crowbar, so I'm gonna use that to like prime under there. But with the floors, they have like a mortar bed under there with some steel. So let me show y'all. I have about an inch thick mortar bed under there, so I need to prime under there. Last time I knocked it up, but I damaged it so much when I was knocking up the towel, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just remove it all this time. I have to remove all of these floors, and I'm gonna just be honest with y'all, last time it took me a really long time, so I'm expecting the same thing this time. So let's go ahead and get started knocking this floor out. I know I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, y'all. I hate this part so much, but we're gonna get it done. Guys, we are done. Demo is complete. I am finished ripping out everything. The floors was the last thing that I had to do, so that's all ripped out. I thought it would take me longer, but it did pretty much take me all day to get the floors out and, you know, carry them out because they're heavy. But that is all for today's video, guys. I'm so excited to bring y'all along this process of renovating the bathroom. I've never done a walk-in shower before, and we're gonna go along for the journey. So next week we're gonna start the, you know, putting this bathroom back together. So y'all make sure you come along next Monday. I'll be dropping the video. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to follow along for the process. I'll see you all next week. Bye.